Hi, this is Nell Foster for ehow.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to plant perennial flowers and plants in a shaded area. I live in Santa Barbara, California, so my shade is bromeliads and sansevierias and aspidistras, so it's probably different than shade that you have in your part of the country. But what you really need to know is what kind of shade you have. Do you have deep shade, all-day shade? Do you have partial shade? Do you have bright shade? Do you have dappled shade? That'll determine what kind of a plant you buy. For instance, this is a heliotrope, and this is a perennial here, and it is for part shade. And there are a few things that cause shade. A house can cause shade. A large wall can cause shade. And oftentimes, shade is caused by trees. And that is probably the most difficult to plant under, because you can't plant anything really deep-rooted, really close to the trunk of a tree, which is okay because perennials usually don't root too deep. And some trees may have a virus or a disease to them, and I'm talking about oaks, because oaks, you can have oak root fungus. I was a professional gardener up in the Bay Area, and I had to deal with oak root fungus a lot, so you should check out and make sure there isn't going to be any kind of a problem with the shade. And all those wonderful flowering things that you see in the sun are not going to grow in the shade. But you can get some wonderful textures and some wonderful foliage colors in the shades. Some common shade plants are ferns, astilbes, lady's mantle, bleeding hearts, ajuca, violets. There's quite a few shade plants. I've only touched on a few, and you should check in your area. Go to a reliable garden center and see what will do well in the shade in your area. And generally shade, especially under trees, the trees have taken a lot of the nutrients out of the soil surrounding it, so you're going to have to amend that area. And if you're doing a large area, it's best to go to a local landscape supply company and get something that is good for the shade in your area, and that's what you would do to really sweeten up the soil. And you also have to keep in mind that oftentimes shaded areas are dry, especially if they're under a tree, because the tree is blocking a lot of moisture to come down. So there are plants that are good for dry shade also. This is Nell Foster for ehow.com, and I have just told you how to plant perennial flowers and plants in a shaded area.